Hello YouTubers. Today I was walking home and I found this on my doorstep, and I'm guessing this was my my L96, or not L, Type 96 sniper rifle from evic.com. So here's the box. It's pretty big. You know what you expect. So yeah, let's open this thing right up. Open and it's done itself. This pretty heavy for the box. Alright, let's open this up, see what I got. Okay, cool. So stock and the barrel. I think this is the mag, speed loader, some BBs, Allen wrenches, strap or sling. Yeah, so it's open. Let's get the frame out for the frame. The stock. Cleaning and unjamming rod. Always love those. And barrel. Barrel. Okay. So from what I saw on YouTube, I guess you just push this in. I have no experience with sniper rifles because, well, this is my first really. So don't get mad at me if this is a bad one. So yeah. That's pretty much it right here. I'll put it together in another video. So see y'all soon. Peace.